Tax Refund 2021. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back. In today's video, letters from the IRS that require additional steps on your part in order for the IRS to complete your tax refund. But before we begin, make sure to check the income tax refund playlist pinned in the comment section, as well as in the description box for all of your timely refund updates, as well as tutorials, how to verify your identity, how to order a transcript online, how to unenroll from receiving the monthly advanced child tax credit payments, tips to get a live person on the phone at the IRS, as well as schedule an in-person appointment, and all of the approval dates shared in the comment section are in one playlist for you to check them out. All right, now for today's video, understanding your letter 5071C or 6331C. All right, this letter is about that you need to verify your identity to process your federal income tax return filed with your name and taxpayer identification number. It says what you need to do immediately when you receive this particular notice is to go to the secure identity verification service to verify your identity, and it states that service is available 24 hours a day. Check out my tutorial on how to verify your identity online. All right, next we are moving to understanding your letter 4883C or 6330C. It says that this letter is about that you need to call the IRS to verify your identity and process your federal income tax return. It says what you need to do immediately is call the IRS at the phone number in your letter with the information listed below, and the information you need to have online on hand with you is the letter that was mailed to you, the income tax return reference in the letter, a prior year tax return, as well as supporting documents that you filed with each year's tax return, like W-2s, Form 1099, Schedule C's, or F. You need to have that information with you before you call. Next, we have understanding your CP12 notice. All right, this letter says that the IRS corrected one or more mistakes on your tax return. As a result, you are now either due a refund or your original refund amount has changed. Check out the video that I did on reasons for reduced refund. It says what you need to do is to review the notice and compare your taxes to the changes that the IRS made. And it says if you agree with the changes that were done by the IRS, no response is required, and they will mail your check within 4 to 6 weeks. It says if you don't agree with the changes the IRS made, you need to contact the IRS within 60 days from the date on the notice that was mailed to you. Next, we have understanding your CP504 notice. It says that you receive this notice because the IRS haven't received payment of your unpaid balance. It says that this notice is your notice of intent to levy. It says if you don't pay the amount due immediately, the IRS can levy your income and bank accounts, as well as seize your property or your right to property, including your state income tax refund, to pay the amount due. All right. Next, we are moving on to CP2000. It says here that the income or payment information the IRS have on file doesn't match what the information you reported on your tax return. It says that the discrepancy may cause an increase or decrease in your tax or may not change it at all. It says the notice will explain what information the IRS used to propose the changes. It says what you need to do is to read your notice carefully. It will explain the information they received and how they went about proposing the changes that were done on your taxes. Next, we are moving on to CP71A notice. It says that we are reminding you of tax, penalty, and interest owed. Your account will remain in non-collectible status until your financial situation changes. It says this notice also explains the possible denial of your United States passport and to read the information carefully to know how it may affect you. All right. Next, we are moving on to understanding your CP87A notice. And it says that we sent you this notice because we receive a tax return from another taxpayer claiming a dependent or qualifying child with the same Social Security number as a dependent or qualifying child listed on your tax return. It says that the last 4 digits of the Social Security number for each of the dependent or qualifying child will be in the notice. It says what you need to do is compare the Social Security numbers from your notice with the Social Security card for each of the dependent and review the rules for claiming each dependent or qualifying child. If you find you are entitled to claim the dependent, you don't need to write or send anything to the IRS. It says that if you find you listed someone who doesn't qualify as your dependent or qualifying child, you must correct your return by filing a Form 1040X amended U.S. individual income tax return. It says the instructions for this form will guide you through the steps to correct your return. Mail your amended return to the IRS Service Center that will be shown in your notice. All right. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and come back for all of your timely refund updates, stimulus updates, as well as Motivational Monday video. And I will see everyone again very soon. Bye-bye.